Hey guys, welcome back to a new video today. And today we're going to be working on the Prelude. So I'm going to show you guys what I got for the car at the moment before the major part is coming in. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. I was able to pick up a brand new air intake for this car. So I'm going to be replacing this one because this one just looks like it's just really messed up so far. Other than that, we're going to be replacing the bulb for this. So I went to Pick and Pull and sorry, it's kind of nasty right now, but I was able to get brand new ones, or not brand new ones, but like a better one, because I think the one of the indicator right here is stuck inside one of them, and I really like the difference between the clear and the orange one. So if it's stuck, I might have to resort to these ones. If it's not, then we're most likely gonna be keeping it, and then we're just replacing this section with it in the bulb. So we're just gonna go ahead and just grab a flathead, and that's not Phillips, and then we're just gonna get started on it. But first, what we're gonna be doing is getting off the intake first, so we get the brand new one onto the engine bay really quick. So I think this should be like an easy task to do compared to for everything else. But let's get started. So far, I think before I could detach this thing is like stuck right there. You guys can see that. I don't know why that's there. What the hell? Apparently there is a freaking nut on the inside of this. What the fuck? How the he getting that shit in there? What the fuck? Oh, finally. I just noticed something. This line is not connected to anything. I just noticed this right now. So I'm not sure if that was the case beforehand. This is confusing. Okay, so based on the videos I saw, it's supposed to be connecting from here to here. I don't know what this thing is supposed to be. I just got no clue where it's supposed to go. That's just, I don't know, the way how it's lined up, it looks like it should just go straight forward, unless I honestly do not know, honestly. But if this is how I got it, I'm just gonna leave it, so I won't want to damage it. But so far, the intake is finally installed, while this one was just a bust. Not only because it has this underneath, I got no idea why, but there were so many clamps on this. It's just I don't know, man, this thing was just something else. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this really quick. So I'm gonna finish everything up here because right now it should be all steady. It's all good. I just need to align this with a bracket right here. Probably gonna zip tie it for the sake of it. But I mean, if anything, the intake is already good. Let's get started on to the next mod. So by far this side isn't working because one of the wires, or two of the wires that you guys saw in the video, weren't connected. I believe one that has to be grounded while the other one has to be connected to the battery. I'm not too sure, but once I took off the whole entire bumper to take a diagnostics on how to wire up this specific side, then it should be all set. But now I done what I could for today before I have to go to work. Intake install was pretty straightforward, although it had like some kinks to it because of the old one. And then side markers, at least one side works compared to the other side. But if anything, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know today's video is very, very short, but I'm very excited for the next part to come in, which I'm waiting on heavily for. So stay tuned, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the next video. Peace out.